Yes, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 20th of September 2018. This is just my daily video where I go over what I've done on the daily charts only on the high probability and the mod MACD methods. Fair bit of work this morning, especially on the high probability, so let's get into it. We'll start with the MACD first, get them out of the way. So this is the mod MACD profile on the daily charts. Euro CAD this morning, just checking my notes, took a new sell at this level here. They had to wait for enough criteria to take that sell, as yesterday the fast MACD went through the zero level, but price wasn't below the 25 SMA, nor did we have a sort of a sell sort of signal on the standard MACD. Both of those are being complied with now, so I took the sell this morning. Euro CAD, new sell. Aussie USD this morning took a new buy trade, so you can see fast MACD's through, standard MACD's up, green dot and QMP closed above the 25 SMA, slightly higher risk trade as we're trading in towards the 240 LMA. So new buy on the Aussie USD. CAD Swiss, it's in a sell back here. This sell is no longer valid as I was stopped out yesterday when it spiked through there. It looks like it's heading up there now, possibly heading towards a buy trade tomorrow. Need confirmation though at the moment. So that remaining sell is stopped out for an overall profit, so I can delete all them, include my stop. So that CAD Swiss, no longer a sell trade. Possibly looking for a buy setup. Now I'll switch over to the high probability profile on the daily charts. Just checking my notes, there's a fair bit of happening here. A little bit tired this morning for some reason, getting here late in the week. While we're here, we might as well have a look at the 10,000 demo account on FX Pro and just where we're at the moment. It's 4 open trades. You'll see the new one on the coming up, which has already gone against me. AusCAD, but everything's looking alright at the moment. You have a look at the margin. I've used $382, still got 9,600 spare, plenty of percentage there. Equity's up a little bit. Should have probably gone with a higher leverage on this account, but not to be. Alright, let's have a look. This is a high probability daily charts profile. Start with the Euro CAD. I'm in a sell here. This morning I've got bullish JAGfx RD, which is this little blue line. It's just one of my little filters, freely available to anyone that's in the JAGfx Facebook group. It's in the files folder under indicators in there, and there's a video on how I use it, etc. But anyway, because I got that and the MACD is close to the zero level, I decided to close half my sell trade and move my stop down to 1.52741. So locking a little bit of profit and just reducing my overall risk. Can't lose on that trade unless something drastic happens. Euro CAD sell. Aussie USD, it's very similar. Closed half and moved my stop up to 0.71365. So I'm in a buy trade here. Bearish JAGfx RD. It was a high risk trade towards MAs, close to the MAs now. MACD's through the zero level. So all I've done is close half, reduce my risk, and if I get stopped out there, it'll be possibly either a small loss, small profit, or overall break even. But just have to be careful with these high risk trades. So that's Aussie USD. Euro Aussie, in a buyback here. Already closed that half. You can pause the video and read all my notes. I'm still on a sell here, and just looking at it, I probably should have closed half the sell. Just checking my notes. Well, for a start, that stop there is the buy, so the buy is no longer in play, so the remaining buy was stopped out, so it's gone. So it's good profit in that one, very good profit. Now I've got bullish JAGfx RD. heading towards MAs. It's a high risk trade. MACD's getting close to zero level. The blue dotted line's already through. I probably should have looked at closing half that this morning. I'll possibly have a look at it tomorrow morning. At the moment I haven't, so it's still in sell mode there. But anyway, the remaining buy trade was stopped out. Overall good profit. Pound Swiss. What happened here? It's in a sell trade back here. Already closed out. No, it's a full sell trade. Hadn't even closed out half. And the remaining, not remaining, just the whole trade looks like is, yeah. I'll have to check that. I don't think I've closed out even half of this trade, so I've stopped out anyway on the sell trade, so it doesn't matter. So I'll check that anyway. I'll have to check the spreadsheet. So that sell trade's no longer in play, which is probably a bit of a shame because I think it's going to roll over again. Just looking at a red dot in the MACD, we're above the zero level. And anyway, the pound Swiss, good profit on that. AusCAD. Took a new buy trade here this morning. You can see the divergence, the bullish divergence, has been going for a while. Prices have been making lower lows all the way down here. The MACD's steadily been making higher lows. So regular bullish divergence, high risk trade though. Look at the MAs, spread heading down, so we're in a definite downtrend. You can just tell by looking at price. I would have liked to seen a nice break of this trend line. Hasn't happened obviously yet. But it's a high risk trade, and I'm pretty sure the stop, there it is, in place there. You can see that's AusCAD, so go to here, that's the trade I took this morning. AusCAD buy 0.04, risking 0.5%, already down 9.8 pips. That's just the way it is on the daily chart sometimes. So looking to buy and go up and towards the MAs there. That's AusCAD, new buy. Swiss. Very similar to a couple of others this morning. Closed out half my trade this morning. It's a high risk trade from against the trend. So we've got bearish JAGfx RD. The MACD is just about through the zero level. Closed half, moved my stop up to 0.69365 just to protect that trade. So locking a little bit of profit and reducing risk all in the same one. It's Oz Swiss. Euro NZ. Is it a buy way back here? Already closed half. You can read my notes there. That stop was there for the buy. Stopped out. The remaining buy has been stopped out, so that buy is no longer in play. Good profit on that. That'll help me with my spreadsheet. Get a lot of trades updated because that's a very old one. Again, we've got bullish JAGfx RD heading down this high risk sell trade, still in the sell trade. This morning something's obviously happening in New Zealand. It's big moves on the NZ this morning. And MACD's getting close to zero level, so I'll just keep an eye on this and probably look at reducing risk, closing half, etc. It's in Euro New Zealand, so it's closed down on the remaining buy. And finally, pound New Zealand. Is it a buy back here? And that was my stop there. And last night went through my stop, and it's continued on down this morning. So stop down on that buy for overall good profit. So all good there. So just going to remove that. And there was a sell signal this morning. You can see the red dot there, and it's just, I didn't take it. It's a high risk trade. There's no real obvious divergence. You could probably make an argument for not even on the MACD platinum. So we're getting the support level back here for resistance. That's a previous high there. It broke through and it's come back to it now. So just play it safe for now. I won't take a trade on it. So the remaining buy was stopped out, which is good, and good profit on that one also. Yeah, that's about it, guys, for this morning. There was a fair bit of action. There's also a fair bit of action on the 12-hour charts, which I don't go through in this video, and a little bit of action on the 6-hour chart. So I haven't really started on the daily, the 1-hour charts yet. I was going to do that, but just had a fair bit to do yesterday and I didn't get around to it. So thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe. If nothing else, at least hit the like button, and welcome to all new subscribers and new members of the JAGfx Facebook group and the YouTube channel. Cheers.